வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே, இது உங்கள் வைரவ பழனிசாமி. நம்ம டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சி குரூப் 1A, அதாவது அசிஸ்டன்ட் கன்சர்வேட்டர் ஆஃப் ஃபாரஸ்ட் எக்ஸாமோட 2017ஆம் ஆண்டில் கேட்கப்பட்ட ப்ரிலிமினரி கேள்வியில் பார்த்துட்ருக்கோம். அதனுடைய தொடர்ச்சி இது. சரியா? 4வது பகுதி. சரி, பார்க்கலாம். 91st கொஸ்டின். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டேட் டு இன்கார்பரேட் ஸ்கில் டெவலப்மெண்ட் ப்ரோக்ராம் இன் ஹையர் எஜுகேஷன். ஏ. ராஜஸ்தான், பி. கேரளா, சி. தமிழ்நாடு, டி. Kolkata. The correct answer is A. Rajasthan. 92nd question. Who has launched the world's longest 100 Gbps submarine cable system? A. Reliance, B. Bajaj, C. Falcon, D. Malade. The correct answer is A. Reliance. 93rd question. 48th International Film Festival of India was held in A. Goa, B. Mumbai, C. Chennai, D. Kolkata. The correct answer is A. Goa. 94th question. Dash test supersonic parachute for Mars 2020 mission. A. NASA, B. Tarapur, C. Sriharikota, D. Kalpakkam. The correct answer is A. NASA. 95th question. Miss World 2017 title was won by A. Priyadarshini Chatterjee, B. Stephanie Dalvele, C. Manushi Chiller, D. Paulina Vega. The correct answer is C. Manushi Chiller. 96th question. Which of the following is not a reversible? A. Joule effect, B. Peltier effect, C. Seebeck effect, D. Thomas effect. The correct answer is A. Joule effect. 97th question. When capacitors of capacitance C1, C2, C3 are connected in series, the equivalent capacitance of combination of big C is given. A. C equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3, B equal to 1 by C equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. C equal to C1 C2 divided by C1 plus C2 plus C3. D. C equal to C square plus C square plus C square. The correct answer is B. 1 by C equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. 98th question. If 5 grams of uranium-235 undergoes complete fission in a reactor, the energy released would be A. 45 into 10 to the power 13 joule, B. 15 into 10 to the power 10 joules, C. 4 into 10 to the power 17 joules, D. 16 into 10 to the power 15 joules. The correct answer is A. 45 into 10 to the power 13 joules. 99th question. A thermometer suitable for measuring the temperature of over 500 degree centigrade is A. Constant volume gas thermometer, B. Radiation pyrometer, C. Vapor pressure thermometer, D. Resistance thermometer. The correct answer is B. Radiation pyrometer. 100th question. Young's module of perfectly elastic body is A. 0, B. Infinity, C. 1, D. Finite. The correct answer is B. Infinite. 101st question. The plastic nylon is the best described as A. Polymerized hydrocarbon, B. Polyamide, C. Polyester, D. Polyurethane. The correct answer is B. Polyamide. 102nd question. Nitroleum is A. CaNO3 CaO, B. CaCO3, C. CaCN2, D. CaCNO3. The correct answer is C. CaCN2. Question number 103. Starch is converted into maltose by the enzyme A. Diastase, B. Zymase, C. Ribose, D. Invertase. The correct answer is A. Diastase. Question number 104. The value of ionic product of water is A. 1 into 10 to the power minus 12 mole square per liter square. B. 1 multiplied by 13 power minus 12 mole square divided by liter square. C. 1 into 10 to the power 14 mole square by liter square. D. 1 into 10 to 15 to the power minus 12 mole square divided by liter square. The correct answer is C. 1 multiplied by 10 to the power 14 mole square by liter square. Question number 105. Crystallite is a deposition of A. Calcium carbonate, B. Calcium oxalate, C. Calcium pectate, D. Silica. The correct answer is A. Calcium carbonate. Question number 106. According to 5 kingdom classification of plants by Whittaker, the kingdom of Protista includes A. Prokaryotic multicellular organisms, B. Eukaryotic unicellular organisms, C. Eukaryotic multicellular organisms, D. Filamentous multicellular fungi. The correct answer is B. Eukaryotic unicellular organisms. Question number 107. In which part of the mitochondria oxidative phosphorylation occurs? A. Matrix, B. Membrane space, C. Outer membrane, D. cristae. The correct answer is D. cristae. Question number 108. The disease caused by the deficiency of calcium in adult is A. goiter, B. rickets, C. osteomalacia, D. cretinism. The correct answer is C. osteomalacia. Question number 109. Prothrombin is synthesized in A. liver, B. spleen, C. pancreas, D. kidney. The correct answer is A. liver. Question number 110. The hormone that administers the fight, fright, and fright in man is said to be A. thyroxine, B. adrenaline, C. androgen, D. progesterone. The correct answer is B. adrenaline. Question number 111. Choose the zero fight from the given pairs. A. mango, B. water lily, C. obantia, D. Wallisnerig. The correct answer is C. obantia. Question number 112. Choose the correct sequence of stages in life cycle of a Culex mosquito. A. adult egg larva pupa, B. pupa larva egg adult, C. egg larva pupa adult, D. larva pupa egg adult. The correct answer is C. egg larva pupa adult. Question number 113. Who raised the slogan "No taxation without representation" at the Madras legislature? A. B.T. Tyagaraja Chettiar, B. T.M. Nair, C. Nadesha Mudaliar, D. Raja Panagal. The correct answer is C. Nadesha Mudaliar. Question number 114. Who has been regarded as the real founder of Turkey's role in India? A. Ghiyasuddin, B. Tajuddin Aidis, C. Muhammad of Ghor, D. Qutbuddin Aibak. The correct answer is D. Qutbuddin Aibak. Question number 115. The highly advanced water management system of Harappa civilization has been unearthed at A. Dholavira, B. Lothal, C. Kalibangan, D. Alamgirpur. The correct answer is B. Lothal. Question number 116. Who is the associate with Blue Water Policy? A. Albuquerque, B. Pedro Alvarez Cabral, C. Almeida, D. Nova. The correct answer is C. Almeida. Question number 117. Which regulation described the practice of sati as illegal punishable? A. Regulation number 17 of December 1829. B. Regulation number 16 of December 1829. C. Regulation number 15 of December 1829. D. Regulation number 14 of December 1829. The correct answer is A. Regulation number 17 of December 1829. Question number 118. The Mutra Rakshas of Visagadatta gives the information of A. The story of Chandragupta Maurya and Chanakya. B. Samudragupta and his religious policy. C. The information of Nandas. D. Life of Harsha. The correct answer is A. The story of Chandragupta Maurya and Chanakya. Question number 119. Match list with 1 with 2 and select the correct answer given the codes given below. A. Government of India Act 1858, introduction of separate elected for Muslims. Indian Council Act 1909, provincial autonomy. Indian Council Act 1919, put an end to the rule of British EIC rule. D. Government of India Act 1935, introduction of diarchy in provinces. The correct answer codes D. 3142. Government of India Act 1858, put an end to the rule of British EIC, East India Company rule. Indian Council of Act 1909, introduction of separate electorate for Muslims. Indian Council of Act 1919, introduction of diarchy in provinces. D. Government of India Act 1935, provincial autonomy. Question number 120. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below. List A and B. Surat Split 1905, Partition of Bengal 1906, Mindo Marley Reforms 1907, Indian Muslim League 1909. The correct answer is C. 3142. Surat Split 1907, Partition of Bengal 1905, Mindo Marley Reforms 1909, Indian Muslim League 1906. Question number 121. Who issued a non-Brahmin manifesto in 1916? A. Thandai Periyar, B. C.N. Annadurai, C. Pitti Tyagaraja Chetty, D. K. Kamaraj. The correct answer is C. Pitti Tyagaraja Chetty. Question number 122. Arrange the following in chronological order. 1. Trichy Proclamation. 2. Vellore Mutiny. 3. Construction of Fort St. George. 4. Kattaboman was hanged to death. 3142, B. 3412, C. 4123, D. 4321. The correct answer is B. 3412. So construction of Fort St. George, then Kattaboman's hanging, then Trichy Proclamation, then Vellore Mutiny. Question number 123. Jinnah celebrated the resignation of Congress military as the day of deliverance on A. 23rd October 1939, B. 16th August 1940, C. 16th August 1946, D. 22nd December 1939. The correct answer is D. 22nd December 1939. Question number 124. The political party led by Bombay Textile Mills strike in 1928. A. Socialist Party of India. B. Forward Bloc. C. Communist Party of India. D. Indian National Congress. The correct answer is C. Communist Party of India. Question number 125. Plan Balkan regarding transfer of power was prepared by A. V.P. Menon. B. Sardar Patel. C. Mountbatten. D. Lord Attlee. The correct answer is C. Mountbatten. Question number 126. When was Bhagat Singh hanged at Lahore? A. 21st March 1931. B. 22nd March 1931. C. 23rd March 1931. D. 24th March 1931. The correct answer is C. 23rd March 1931. ஸோ தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச். ஸோ நம்ம வில் சி ஃபர்தர் இதோட கண்டினியூஸோட கொஸ்டின் நம்ம அடுத்த எபிசோடில் பார்ப்போம். மிக்க நன்றி.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, பெல் ஐக்கன் பிரஸ் பண்ண மறந்து போயிடாதீங்க. அப்பதான் நாங்க போஸ்ட் பண்ற வீடியோவோட நோட்டிபிகேஷன் உங்களுக்கு வரும்.